you can also develop educational material and sell it online through Stan Store. So if you are a teacher, if you are a lecturer, this is an opportunity for you, but you need to belong to a community of people who are talking about these things. If all you do is to hang out with people who know just security, becoming a security guard, you will stay in that industry for 20 years. But if you venture and say, you know what, I want to join these people who are talking about online business, I want to learn. So I have got a community that I've put together. And if you are on, so I'm going to show you from afar. So this is the community online business hub where you learn